Hey guys, how you doing? This is Sascha.Chatman here with Chapman Realty Group, and I am going to show you a super awesome home today. Okay, so I want to go ahead and get a nice walkthrough video just for you, and this one is nice. This one right here is 112 Village Trail here in Keller, Texas. It's an awesome home. Okay, it is 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, all 1 story, and it has 2 masters. 2 masters. So let's jump right into it. I'm gonna show you guys this home. All right, let's get going. Sitting on a half-acre lot, you can see the quality in the architecture, the landscaping, the large front yard. This house is extremely welcoming. When you first come into the home, the first thing you notice is the beautiful hardwood floors. Open concept from the kitchen, the living room, the formal dining room. You know that this home is going to be nice. From every angle, this home was built to be wide open, so you can entertain, have guests over, lots of natural lighting, lots of places for people to gather. It is made for hosting parties and having a good time. And it's beautiful and it's cozy. I absolutely love the cabinets in this kitchen. Look how they just set the tone for the entire kitchen. And what I really like about this kitchen is the stove. I love to cook. 6 burners on this stove, gas stove, and you have a water faucet over the stove. Now that is perfect for any chef in this kitchen. Look at the amount of cabinet space you have. Double ovens, you have everything you need here. When you get to the game room, it's party time. Look at this, you can change the lighting with the LED lights, plenty of space for a pool table, and the master bedroom has a wonderful view. I love the view, but wait till you get to the bathroom. Just look at it. His and her sinks. You can soak, but wait till you see this shower. Not to mention that fireplace there. It's a large shower. It's made for relaxing. The double faucets that come off the shower are awesome touch. This is absolutely the best closet I have ever seen in a home. Okay. Now, you would literally have to go buy more clothes to fill this closet up. You're going to have plenty of storage space. You can put your hats, you can put your shoes, everything you can think of, you can fit in this closet. It literally should have its own zip code. Seriously. And it really is designed to be a his and her closet. Now what I like about this house, pretty much all the closets have these really high racks all throughout the home, where you can hang stuff up really high and really use the entire space of the closet. Super smart design to put the laundry room next to your closet. The second master bedroom is what sets this home apart from any other home on the market right now. Large patio, already ready for your TV and surround sound if you want to install that, but it's perfect for coming home and relaxing, especially when you have this backyard. Nice view, no neighbors behind you, come home, relax, peaceful, quiet, and really enjoy yourself.